Hi friends, good evening. Now we are going to see Amar Raja batteries. The script is fallen from 1031 rupees to roughly around 665. 665 to 676 is a major number. You take any script for that matter. Normally, the script will bounce from there. Yesterday, day before, it made a low of 665, and from there it bounced, and yesterday it closed at 682. So now I'm expecting some upside move in this counter because the script is already fallen roughly around 50% from the top on the Fibonacci level. So it is exactly at 50%, 0.5%. So I will go to the chart and show you whether we can buy the stock with a small stop loss and we can ride the trend or not. It is purely up to you because the script has fallen very badly, but I am going to take a chance in this counter. Okay. So now I'll share the screen first. Okay, so this is Amar Raja on a monthly candle. Okay, so this is actually this green color and brown color. No, this is nothing but super trend. Super trend, I already told you many times that I use only in monthly time frame and weekly time frame. It has given a buy the month of November, and after that it started falling. And the last support of super trend is at 656. So till it is not closing below 656, there is a chance of revival. Okay, there is a chance of revival. This is number one. Number two, if I take the high which it made on August 2015, where it made a high of 1128. It made a high in the month of August 2015. Okay. And from there, if I calculate 72 months, and recently I posted one video on how 18th number is very crucial. And in that video, I've already mentioned that, weekly and monthly, there is another, numbers which will work, which are 52 and 72. Okay, so if you take 72 months from the top, it is exactly in the month of August 2021. I've already made this number here. If you want, I can again draw. So this is the high. From here, if I calculate, August 2021 is the 72nd bar. Okay, till it holds, and there are 2 more days, which is 30 and 31. The month, in the month. So till it holds a low of this month, there is nothing to worry. Okay. And if it goes above this month high, as of now, it is 742. I think 742 will not be reached in the next 2 days time on 30th and 31st. So if it goes above 742, it is again bullish. Until it holds the low, as of now, it is 665. I don't know what is going to happen on 30th and 31st. 665 is a very crucial, Vedic number. So till it holds that number, no problem. But according to super trend, it is 656. So the final stop loss is 656 on a closing basis. If it goes below 656, you need to exit this counter at any cost. Okay. So now this is based on monthly. Okay. And if I put Ichimoku, yeah, even it is below the cloud. But one thing here is the lagging span is having a support here. Okay, this black color line, it has to go below this red color line. Okay, then only it is bearish. But there is a small point here. Maybe that is again it is 665. Okay, so till it is not this lagging, even though the script has fallen below the cloud, the lagging span has to break below this red color line. Okay, Senkubi. So if it goes below this, then okay, it is bearishness. So there is a revival chance in Amar Raja battery, and September 2nd is the trend change date for Amar Raja as well as Exide Industries. Okay, they are also into battery. Okay, so September 2nd. Okay, so this is on a monthly basis. Now we'll go to weekly. So this is what looks very, very interesting to me. So that is why I want to take the chance in this counter. Okay, so now first this is Fibonacci level. These levels. Okay, so if I draw Fibonacci level from the bottom, this is 23rd March 2020. It made a bottom, the weekly trend. So from there I've calculated the top, and it is exactly sitting at 50.5%, which is 687. And yesterday it closed at 682, above 687 with the stop loss of 656. We can take a chance, because normally when it comes to 0.5%, it will bounce. In case if it breaks this 656, high possibility it will go and touch 607, which is 0.618. If you see here, it is 0.618. It will go and touch this level, which is 607. But what I am feeling now is, see, whenever it comes here, this acts as a major support line. Okay, this blue color rectangle thing. Okay, so it acts as a major support. See, last time it came here, again touched, and from there it bounced and moved. Okay, so based on this, I think the support is taken. This is number one. So I've already given Fibonacci. So now I'm deleting Fibonacci. I don't want. So again, I'm saying it is at 0.5 level, which is 687, above 687, and till it holds 656, which is the stop loss, it is bullish. If it breaks 656, possibility is 607. Okay. Now I am taking out Fibonacci because I want to show some other thing also. And this is based on a rounding pattern, which you all know. Rounding pattern, a possibility of bounce from here. Okay, so this is rounding pattern. Now I am taking out the rounding pattern also. So based on pitchfork, it is exactly at the green line support. Okay, exactly at the green line support, and possibility is it may go and touch 849 also. That's what it took place. But what I'm saying is it is at the support, and this support is actually validated here also. From there only, from here only it started moving up. So now it is exactly at this green color support, plus the price support also is there, which is the rectangular blue color line. Okay, so now I'm going to take out this pitchfork also. Now this is not a trend line. The line which I've drawn here, it is not a trend line. This is, if I open all this, then you will see all these lines. This is actually angle. Okay, so the very important angle is this. And it is exactly at the angle. Okay, so if I drawn from here 40, this is actually 45-degree angle. So exactly it is at the 45-degree angle. So it has to hold this 3/1. This is actually 3/1. And in case if it holds 3/1, then possibility is 2/1, then 1/1. Okay, 1 bar and so far. So normally when it takes support, it will go and touch the 2/1 level. Okay, so now based on angle also, it is giving support. Okay, this is based on weekly. Now we go to daily. Okay, so daily again I have drawn the same rectangular line from here. So whenever it touches from here, it started bouncing back. So now yesterday it came and touched the low of this one. Okay, if you see this low, which is 664, which happened on July 15th, 2020. It again came and touched that level, and from there we had a bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle we had here. So this is what, because whenever the stock comes and touches the support, if it gives a bullish candle, possibility of reversal. Again, I'm saying it is a possibility of reversal. It is not a sure shot. What we can do, September 2nd is the major trend change date for Exide as well as Amar Raja. We can wait for another 4 days and take a chance. Otherwise, we can take a chance tomorrow. But the stop loss is 650. 656. So this is based on support plus rounding pattern, and based on pitchfork also it is at support, based on angle also it is at support, and based on monthly it is at 72nd month from the top, which happened long back in 2015. So all is coinciding with the number also. So apart from that, super trend also is showing that 656 is the support for the stock. So we can take a chance, and it is at 50% retracement level, 0.5% retracement level from the top, which is 50%. Okay, so we can take a chance in this counter. 656 is the stop loss for this counter. In case if it started moving up, then the targets are the first, see the above 665, the next target is 687. Normally, I think tomorrow it will be a gap up. I think 5 rupees for this counter is nothing. So it may even touch 687. So above 687, the targets are 729, 754, 784, 841, and 898. Till it holds 656 on a daily closing basis. Okay. Thanks a lot. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or trading in any stock, or consult your financial advisor. Thanks a lot. Bye.